Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some lamb chop. So in my bowl I've got at least 1 kilogram of lamb chop that I already washed and cleaned. Okay, and these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of rosemary from the bottle, and 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. But if you haven't have all this seasoning that I'm using, you can always use whatever seasoning you have at home. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add just a pinch of salt to my lamb chop. Then I'm gonna add some olive oil just to keep it nice and moist. That's at least 3 teaspoons. Then I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together. Just make sure it is all combined, okay? I love lamb chop. It's not something I make all the time, but I do at times. And that rosemary is gonna make your lamb chop taste so good. Then I'm just gonna sprinkle my seasoning all over on my lamb chop. You want to do it like so. I'm telling you, this lamb chop is gonna be super flavorful. You can just dab it a bit. So my lamb chop is nicely seasoning, and I'm telling you guys, it's looking so good already. You can always leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes or even overnight. But if you don't have the time, you just cook it as it is. Because trust me, this is exactly what I'm gonna do. And it still gonna taste good. It's still gonna taste good. Yes. So in my bowl right here, I've got some spring onions, just a small amount, at least 3 cloves of garlic that I chopped up, just a small amount of fresh thyme, 1 onion, and 1 spoon of butter. Okay, so that's my baking tray, and to my baking tray I'm gonna add my butter, and you just want to dab your butter all over in your tray, because that's gonna keep the lamb chop to be nice, flavorful, and moist, okay, and juicy. So now I'm just adding all my herbs, and after you add your herbs, guys, you just wanna lay the lamb chop on top of your herbs, okay? So now I'm laying my lamb chop, and you want to make sure you space it all out. So this is totally optional, but I'm just gonna sprinkle some Worcestershire sauce all over on my lamb chop. Then I'm also gonna sprinkle some olive oil. I add at least 3 spoons of Worcestershire sauce and at least 2 spoonful of olive oil, okay? So guys, I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 1 hour and 10 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius, okay? So stay tuned. So my lamb chop is all finished, and this is what it look like. I'm telling you guys, it looking absolutely delicious. What I did, I put it in a bigger tray, as you can see, yes, because that one was a bit too small, so I have to remove it. So please share this video to all of your families, your friends, everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I work so hard just to get this video out for you guys. So please support my YouTube channel. Support guys. And if you have supporting me, thank you all so much. And I make some gravy on the side for my lamb chop. I'm gonna leave a link below on how I made my gravy, okay? Or I can list the ingredients below so you guys can, have a look and see how I made it. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.